How to change name of YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change name of your YouTube channel. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Here I have opened Google Chrome, then head over to youtube.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now click on your profile icon and click on view your channel option over here. Now here click on the option of customize channel. Now it will take you to YouTube Studio. Now, once you get here, you will have the profile option. Scroll down and find the option of name. Now go ahead and edit your name over here. So erase it and type in a new name. Remember to choose a channel name that represents you and your content. You can change your name twice in 14 days. Changes made to your name and picture are visible only on YouTube and not other Google services. Now, once you have changed your name, you want to click on the publish option at the top right corner. Once you do that, your channel name will be changed. Now, if you head back and your channel name has not been changed, simply refresh the page. Once you do that, as you can see, your channel name has been successfully changed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.